Yeah, I think I made a big mistake. I made a terrible mistake getting this, and I'll explain why.
Two, one.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm MoneyMarrowTech, and today we'll be going over the DJI Flip. All right, so playing with it for a couple of days now, and first thing I want to make a big announcement. I messed up, and what I mean I messed up is I didn't realize how fun it was going to be. Real quick before we get into it, we'll do a quick unboxing. So in the box, guys, you do get the manual, Type-C to Type-C charging cord. You get a dongle, so if you didn't have a newer phone, you still have iPhone 14 or below, you can still use the lightning cord, Type-C that plugs into the RC controller. You get extra wing tips. It definitely shows you different colors on the side, so you know where they're supposed to go when you put them on for replacement. So you get a screwdriver to allow you to place your wing tips as need to be. You have your RC3 controller. And right here on top is your Type-C plug-in for your regular iPhone 15 or newer or Android. Out there and about doing my testing and stuff, trying out, and the major mistake I made was not getting the combo pack. When it comes to battery life, you're getting about 31 minutes advertised, but really, on a real basis, you're getting about 25, 27 minutes. If you do the self-flying drone without the remote control and stuff, you probably maybe get longer, but definitely when you start going up in the sky with remote control, you definitely be draining the battery more often. And usually, I recommend you get the more combo pack, and that's where I messed up at. So definitely get that, because 25 minutes go by fast, especially when you're having fun. And yes, I had fun flipping this out and taking this out, doing the scenery stuff, what you're gonna be seeing here in a little bit. It is 249 grams. So it's definitely under regulation. So you don't have to worry about registering it. These propeller guards all around the unit, so help it keep your propeller protected and stuff. My biggest thing that I fear about is if you had to replace the wings, you're probably going to have to be very, very careful and jimming your way in there to get these propellers taken out once you have to replace them, if it comes to that. This design is very simple. I like how they did the hinges on here. Very, very simple, very easy to fold up. When I fold it, it don't feel loose. It feels very secure. You have this additional guard right here, so you can block your gimbal and your sensor right there. It also comes with another sleeve for your gimbal as well, so when you put on this, it don't scratch up your lens, which is pretty thoughtful of them to do. When it comes to memory, they did a terrible job. They only put 2 gigs in here, so you definitely want to go out your way and buy an additional SIM card. If you don't know where the SIM card tray is at, it's right here on the bottom. So right here, you can add your SIM card and you'll be able to get all your footage and videos on here as well. Price on the bad boys, I'll put it right here for the base, the mid here, and the more combo pack right here. I'll put it all right here for you guys to see. This here is very, very well balanced for beginners to self content creators to anybody who wanted to get out there in the drone world, and if you want to spend a little bit more, too much money, the DJI Flip is definitely there for you. And I recommend this getting for anybody, especially if you want to start off with a drone, or anybody who want to do a self-content creator. This is perfect for you. If it's the first time to my channel, guys, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you have any comments or any concerns about the DJI Flip, please don't be hesitant to leave a comment down below. I am MoneyMarrowTech. Peace.